Breaking to a brand new high, triangle breakout, testing the level I showed you a few weeks ago and finding resistance immediately at 104. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Thursday, 5 December 2024. Today I will be trading long on the Swiss, the yen and the pound, and short on the Aussie, the CAD and the New Zealand dollar. If you look at the dollar index, this rising trend line is being tested 1, 2, 3 times. If it breaks now, usually when it breaks on the fourth attempt. So something to watch. Definitely bear stepping in. We could see the strong bounce off the support level, couldn't reach that resistance level, and now toiling with this rising trend line. If this breaks, well, we need to go below this low here. That's the next stop, and then the moving averages is the next stop. Maybe it's a good thing so that we can get some stock market runs up the page. But other than that, I'll stay slightly neutral, almost turning bearish on the dollar at this stage. Look at gold, just completely sideways, not doing much. Gold is just showing us that the dollar index is also that the dollar is in, you can see here, it's there, neutral, fighting with the euro for that two middle spots, which is in my eyes the neutral spot. And those two seldom go somewhere unless you trade them against the extremes. And you can see the dollar in general is quite neutral at this stage, and that's why we see it in gold, we see it everywhere, and really giving us a hard time on gold. But nothing I will specifically do on gold at this stage. I'll just sit tight and see. Then Bitcoin breaking to a brand new high, triangle breakout, testing the level I showed you a few weeks ago and finding resistance immediately at 104. But that's not my final target. Not say final target, but that's not the ultimate target for me. I'm pushing still for the 110 and the 120 levels. You can see the 150 level is the 2.618 Fibonacci up there. You see there, 152 of this last directional swing. So I'm quite bullish. I'm still very bullish on this, and that's what I want. So a nice strong breakout. We started to pick up the long lower shadow here on Bitcoin. Now breaking out, dominance coming back. See some pressure on some of the altcoins. Yeah, there are some of them still going up, but XRP is taking a little bit of profit taking. Obviously, it's being a big run. It's being 5x, 6x. So we can expect some profits being taken there. Nothing to worry or to fear or to exit about. It's just taking some profits there, bringing it back to Bitcoin. We see Bitcoin Cash also flying up strongly this morning. So brand new move up the page. So I think now we're in the next week or two, we should see the 110 and the 120 levels. Most likely before Christmas, we should see 120. From there on, we can expect quite a deep sell-off. I think from the 120, it could bring us back down to the 100,000, maybe dipping below just to test the waters, where we can then into next year, we can then rally into February, March until it's a tax year end, and people will have to sell some of their tokens and cryptos to pay the tax bills and so forth. After that, after March, I can just see one way, and that's up north, running up the page. So expect volatility. This is not a market for sissies. This is a market for mature guys, because a lot of volatility will come in. Take your 5% off at decent levels. That's it. If it then retraces, so be it. If it keeps running, you still got a ton of positions open. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. The currencies, the pound, New Zealand, you can see pound green zone, New Zealand red zone, wanna be long. Nice swing after this consolidation. Nice swing up the page, trend changing, retracement back to the 50-61% level. Look at the nice structure coming in there, very strong structure. So if I can get that area to touch, strong counter reversal, I'll then consider some longs. Then the Euro Aussie. Euro, not after that, but look at the Aussie. Bottom of the pile, I want to be short Aussie, and going long here will give me that opportunity. But I would like to see a retest. Trend, brand new trend. You can can see a double bottom, break, strong break, retest to test this two intermediate highs there. That will be perfect for me right at 61% level. If it can bounce from there in a nice counter reversal, I'll then take some longs. Euro New Zealand. Euro neutral, not after that. New Zealand red zone, want to be short New Zealand. Going long here will give me that. Brand new trend coming in, bit sideways, bit worried about this, but still look at this triple bottom or shoulder, head, shoulder. Nice bottom reversal, strong break from the intermediate highs. A retest of 61% will not harm anybody, and then give a counter reversal, and then I'll look for some longs. New Zealand Swiss. New Zealand, that's the red zone one, Swiss green zone one, so want to be short here. Strong levels, support can become resistance at 61% level. So I need a test and a counter reversal, and then I'll consider some shorts. And then the Aussie Swiss, big drop down the page for the Aussie. I want to be short Aussie. Looking also for some longs on the Swiss, and shorting this will give me both that. So a retest of that support level. You can see it's a strong level coming for a long time now. That's the 50 to 61% level. That's the area. If it gets back up there, I get some counter reversals, I'll then definitely consider some shorts. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, so don't forget to trade responsibly. Never ever trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.